If you're looking to do keyword research, then you probably know that the best source for that kind of data is from Google themselves. And you can get that data by using their free Google AdWords keyword tool. Now, one of the biggest problems that you may have noticed with this keyword tool is simply that you just can't get at the data very well. Now, I just typed in table lamps and I ran a search, so it gave me all the suggestions of keywords. Now, the biggest problem is, number one, all I have are the demand. So for instance, I know that for table lamps, roughly 33,100 searches are done per month. But what I don't know is how many people I'm going to be competing against. Is that really a worthwhile keyword? Not only do I not know that, but I don't know if I would want to do table lamps before modern table lamps. Would I rather promote table lamps for living room or ceramic table lamps? It's very difficult to get that kind of information, and a lot of people go on the wrong track simply going by search volume. So let me show you a much better way that you can look at this data and get accurate information out of it in a much faster fashion. So what I'm going to do is, since I've already done this search, I'm going to go ahead and download the data. Now if you're logged in, you can download all 800. So I'm going to go ahead and download that in an XML format. So I'm going to save that to my computer, and while that's completing its download, I'm going to go ahead and run another search. And I'm going to run this on buffet table lamps, just because it's something I saw on the list. So that gives me another list of 794 I can download. Now obviously some of these are going to be duplicates from what I last downloaded. So I'll go ahead and download that. I'll dismiss it. And let's type in another type that's well known, Tiffany table lamps. So I'm going to go ahead and search on that. I'm going to get yet another list of keywords. Now I'm going to download that. Same thing, XML format. Download it to the same place. So now I've got 3 files filled with keywords. Some of them are redundant, some of them are new, some of them could be the ones that really make the difference for me. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start up a program called SEO Keyword Builder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new solution. And I'm just going to call it my solution. And what I'm going to do is, within this solution, I'm going to create a keyword list. Now this is basically the container for all of those keywords that I just downloaded. So let's just call it the full list. Now that I have this, I can simply import directly from that folder. And just like that, SEO Keyword Builder pulled in all 3 of those files. Now you could have had hundreds of those files, there's no limit. And it threw out all the duplicates, and now in addition, it's going out on my behalf and getting competition information by way of how many search results there are for each of these keywords. So for instance, what it found was that for table lamps, right now there's 30,500 results in Google if you search for that. So that's about 30,500 different websites I'd have to compete against. Now in addition to that, and some of the other information, considering the volumes and the competition, you've got supply and demand. And from that and a few other algorithms, you can put together what we call the organic rank. Now once this is completed, what I can do is simply sort on this, and the ones with the highest number are the ones that are most worthwhile to promote. So right now, lampshades for table lamps is a good one to promote because it's got a low competition, yet look at the volume. Now that did not take me long to find. Now if I had done this the old-fashioned way and tried to find those just using Google's keyword tool, it would have taken me forever, and more than likely I just would have missed it. So this is just one of the very small features in SEO Keyword Builder. In addition to this, if I click on one of these keywords, it's going to go out to Google and get the top 10 results for that keyword. Now, what it can do with that then is give you information about each of the websites, such as how many inlinks they have, what the Google page rank is, what their page title is, what content they have, phrase analysis, such as 2-word phrases, 3-word phrases, exactly what's on the page. All of this information would take you literally days to get, and you saw that I just did this in a couple minutes with SEO Keyword Builder. SEO Keyword Builder is a download, so you don't have to worry about shipping, and it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you really have nothing to lose. You should at least give it a try and let us know what you think.